friends, yes, I'm still here with my friend the rabbit in his amazing world. Let's see what challenge is waiting for us. Look! What a massive palace! It's beautiful, but who lives there? It's the Queen of Hearts. But what do we have to do here, Rabbit? What's the challenge? Check out this giant chessboard, and there's a message. We have to correct and complete the sentences to move the chess pieces to win. If we do it right, I can go back home. Oh, great! That would be wonderful. Even though I'm having fun here with the rabbit, it's time to go back home. Okay, let's start with the first sentence. You with dolls in the room. Okay, and what's the missing word? Do you have any idea? Oh, look at the palace windows. Yeah, I can see play, playing, and place. I think it's you plays? No, it doesn't sound good. You playing? No, you play. Yes, it's you play with dolls in the room. Am I right? Yay! Look! The chess knight is moving. Yes, okay. Another sentence. He with dolls in the room. Okay, let's find this other missing word. And let's again check the windows. He plays with dolls in the room. He playing or he plays with dolls in the room. Remember, with he, we need to add the suffix s or es after the verb in a present simple form. So I'm sure is he plays. He plays. Yes. Great! And the rock is moving too. Super. Now another one. Okay, I to school by feet. And the options are, okay, I goes to school, I going, or I go to school. Yes, I think and I know it's I go. Am I right? Yes, great. And both are moving. I'm almost there. Great. Okay, we are very close. Okay, one more sentence. He to school by feet. And we have different options now. Okay, he walk to school, he walking, or he walks. Okay, personal pronoun he. So we need to add the s at the end of the verb if we're talking about a present situation. He walks to school. He walks to school. Am I right? Yes! Super! We made it! Yes, and no mistakes. Great! Look at the tree. I'm ready to go back home. Let's go!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
All right, number 4. Okay, this is the fourth activity about the present simple. Let's do it together. Choose the correct verb for each sentence and find them in the word search. Okay, then we need to find them here. So she, remember, for he, she, and it, the verb needs an S or an ES, okay? So she plays with dolls in the room. She plays, okay? And we need to find place here. Where is place, place, place? Place, 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 place. No, I have play. I have play like this, but I need the S. She plays. Okay, so maybe it's just the main verb what we need to find. Play is here. Okay, let's keep it like that. Now let's go. He, with he, es. He goes to school by feet. He go, no. He going, no. He goes. He goes. Okay, so now we need to find go or goes. Ah, look, goes is here. Goes is here. So maybe we should find plays as well. She plays. We need to find the S. Otherwise, I change this and I put an S. Okay? Then you, it's you, so not he, she, or it. No S, no ES. You walk to school by feet. You walk to school by feet. And now we need to find, I found it. Walk here. Great, well done. Okay, so just be careful with that because there's a mistake, and play needs the S because that is what we wrote here. Okay, walk, goes, and plays. Yes, well done. Bye bye.